Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. It's the first Friday of August, and that means we're supposed to be giving away something, but I'm unprepared. Vito, got any ideas?
Ooh, we're brewing this weekend on the Gen 4 BrewZilla. What about that?
You're right, we are brewing, and I've got some extra carboys that'd be perfect to give away.
No, the Gen 4 BrewZilla.
You want to give away my BrewZilla?
Heck yeah.
All right. That's right, this month we're giving away a brand new, fresh out of the box, not my used one that's all crusty, Gen 4 BrewZilla, and is it pretty sweet? We already did a video of all its new features compared to the 3.1.1, so check out that video to see all the new features, such as the removable plug, the detachable and easy to read wrapped I/O control panel, the handles that are easier, the concave bottom with the mirror finish, the pump that is exposed and easier to deal with, and the extra long malt pipe with the two-stage sparging. My favorite thing is all the stuff it's gonna be able to do. It can do now, and it can be upgraded to their wrap.io platform.
One of my favorite features is they relocated the control panel to up top here. I'm a big boy, so not getting down on the ground makes things pleasant.
It also angles up for easier reading. So Vito and I are going to be brewing on this weekend, and we are going to be answering a lot of your questions and showing you those new features on this awesome Gen 4. So stay tuned. So to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter the monthly giveaway.
Let us know in the comments what you're excited for about the new Gen 4 BrewZilla. Also, let us know what you're currently brewing on right now. Love to hear from you.
This week's kit of the week is Ugly Fish IPA.
Yeah, it's National IPA Day on Thursday, yesterday. So we're doing an IPA, which is a Sculpin clone. Most of you probably had that. It's an amazing West Coast IPA.
So to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter the weekly giveaway. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. And cheers.